Unit 10, Lesson 9. Objectives. In this lesson, we are going to learn about using connectors in sentences, listen and read about engineers and other scientists, talk about how to make an interview. Unit 10, Vocabulary. What do you think this is? To discover. To discover. What is this? The heart. This is the heart. What are these? The lungs. These are the lungs. What is he doing? He is breathing oxygen. He is breathing oxygen. Read about different scientists. Which one do you think is the most interesting? Do you know that there are hundreds of different types of scientists? Some work in a laboratory and others work outdoors or in an office. Engineers. Some scientists are engineers. They work out how to build things we need. Sometimes they study big things like roads, bridges, or buildings. Sometimes they study smaller things like machines for a doctor to use. They may also study something so small you can't see it without a microscope. Plant scientists. Some scientists work with plants. They spend time outside working with plants, seeing how they grow. Sometimes they are in a laboratory too. They might look at parts of the plant with a microscope or work in a team with other kinds of scientists to look at insects that eat plants or how the weather affects their plants. Earth scientists. Some scientists study the earth. They try to find out more about earthquakes or volcanoes and why they happen. They might spend time outside looking at the shape of hills or collecting rocks. They might spend some time at a computer as well, trying to work out when earthquakes will happen or how big they will be. Read out 3 scientists from the UAE. What does each scientist study? Write a sentence about each scientist. Imagine you are going to interview one of the scientists. Think of 3 questions you can ask them. Why is science important? What do you like about your job? Match the pictures to the text. Which text belongs to picture A? Is it earth scientists, plant scientists, or engineers? Picture A matches the plant scientists. Which scientists match picture B? Is it earth scientist or engineer? It's earth scientist. Well done if you got the right answer. So which scientist matches picture C? The engineers. Adding information. Use both and, as well, to, and also to add information. I work in science to help people and to find out new things as well. At school, I enjoy both science and English too. Science is important for businesses and also a way to work with other countries. Use these words to create sentences. Use both and, as well, to, and also to add information. I like pizza and ice cream too. I enjoy both chips and vegetables. I like pizza, but I don't like carrots. She's eating pizza, chips, and ice cream as well. Both vegetables and carrots are healthy for you. Choose the correct word. Scientists work in laboratories, hospitals, and offices. 2. Number 2. Engineers build both very small things and very large things. Number 3. Scientists use lots of equipment and might also need to use a microscope. Number 4. Plant scientists work outdoors and in a laboratory as well. Number 5. Plant scientists might work in a team with other types of scientists studying insects and weather. Number 6. Earth scientists work outside, but they often work in an office. 2.